Good evening, viewers. Donald Trump's battle with Twitter may be sudden, it may be political, and maybe even be opportunistic. But it has certainly rightly brought into focus the deep prejudice A, the profound bias B, the obvious political leaning of Twitter, and the considered decision of Twitter to promote one political narrative. In India, Twitter promotes, in all our view, the fake left and the fake liberal narrative. They have taken a clear position on it. Let me give you an example, viewers. When a fake news expert associated with the Liar Wire tweeted post-Pulwama on Pakistan's behest that the Sikh regiment will not fight for India, a fabrication of such deep anti-national proportions and intent, it was pointed to Twitter by everyone, the Indian Army and your channel Republic. Twitter not only disregarded the Indian Army, believe it or not, viewers, they refused to take action against those people spreading lies against the Indian Army on the ISI's behest. It actually has rewarded that person who took the Pakistani line with a blue tick, which means as a corporate organization, they have associated themselves with people who spread an anti-India agenda in India. So, my dear viewers, the hashtag tonight is Twitter Pick Sides. Use it tonight, liberally. You and I, we have to stop Twitter from being, at least in India, a medium of hate and lies against India. It remains one because we allow it. We must push them back. Tonight, the hashtag is Twitter Take Sides. Come together, India. Trend Twitter Pick Sides on Twitter. And let this American medium of lies, politics, and prejudice, who are associated with people inimical to Indian interests in India, know that they cannot get away anymore. Neither in America and certainly not on our country's soil, ladies and gentlemen. Twitter Pick Sides is debate number 2 tonight. Debate number 1, the Pakistan attempt to repeat Pulwama fails. I'll show you the dramatic footage and more on that story. That's debate number 1. Part 2 of debate 1, the Sabut gang is silent on Pakistan's role. And debate number 3 tonight, debate number 2 tonight, viewers, is Twitter Pick Sides. The world is debating Twitter's bias. There has never been an organization whose credibility has been in tatters as much as this organization, Twitter. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, a stinging attack on the prophets of doom. That's debate number 3. And here are the headlines this Thursday evening on the Debate Tonight.